Hi, I'm Sharon Friedman. I'm a native Washingtonian. I consider Montgomery County, my home. I've probably been involved in community activities and engagement for well over 30 years now. And in those areas, always felt that the best way to approach working with an issue and working through an issue was in a cross-sector way. Although my experience has been mostly with the nonprofit sector, I found, especially working with the business community, change could really happen. I realized that there was a lot to be done at a macro level, at a county level, regional level, even a national level, in the area of the importance of mental health. I went to work with an initiative known as Montgomery Moving Forward. And that initiative, Montgomery Moving Forward, is a cross-sector initiative, meaning that folks from the business community, nonprofits, education and academia, philanthropy, all come together to try to solve the issues in Montgomery County. It is a county that has offered me unbelievable opportunities. And so if I continue to have the opportunity to give back to Montgomery County, then I'm going to continue to do so. In the area of early care and education, I think a huge asset of the work of early care and education and Montgomery Moving Forward has been for folks to be able to see that early care and education is an economic imperative. If a child is ready for kindergarten, if a child has received important early interventions in early care and education, he or she is on the road to a really good path to being able to be economically sufficient and socially productive. The Chamber was an organization that really became front and center in terms of educating folks about especially early care and education. Business people, small business, medium business, larger business, have all voiced through the Chamber and other business forums the idea that the importance, for example, of childcare to an employee, a young family, is front and center when you think about how productive a parent or a caregiver could be in the workplace. Both of those issues impact the workplace. And so if you have a parent in the workplace who is worried about their child being in childcare, hasn't been able to access proper childcare, that's going to impact their productivity in the workplace. That the private sector and the public sector working together in this kind of collaborative arrangement, atmosphere, that is the way that true change can be evoked.